Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable call forwarding on your iPhone. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to press on this settings icon here, and once you are in the settings menu, just scroll down a little until you see the phone option. So just press on this phone option here. So I'm going to press on the phone option, and once you press on the phone option, when you just scroll down a little, you will be able to see this call forwarding option. So I'm going to just press on the call forwarding option, and once I press on the call forwarding option, I have this toggle button here, so I can just press on this toggle button to enable call forwarding. So right now the call forwarding is enabled, and I can provide the number on which I want to forward the call. So just press on this forward to option and provide the number on which you want to forward this call. And once you give that number, you can just press on back and this number will be visible here. So now your calls will be forwarded to this number which you have provided, and if you want to disable call forwarding, you just need to toggle this toggle button once again, which means your call forwarding is now disabled.